This is just a test fit before it goes to the machine shop. Let's see how it fits. I've already lubed it with oil. I like it.